Mix baking powder in fabric softener. Look what happened to start this tip today. In a container, I will add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Being the main item for this tip, I doubt you have ever used baking powder for cleaning in your home. You will be impressed by the result. Next, I will also use 500 milliliters of hot water. It is the ideal temperature for mixing the ingredients. Now we must mix well. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Betty William from Indonesia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The next essential item for mixing is vinegar. The optimal amount for use is 200 milliliters. We must add gradually by the effect of vinegar in contact with the baking powder, which is what brings the powerful cleaning action of this mixture. Ideally mix as soon as you add a new ingredient. The next item we will use is the fabric softener, and the ideal amount for use is a lid, equivalent to 25 milliliters. Let's mix it up again. The fabric softener is the main item responsible for the aroma that this mixture will bring during use, and you can even use the brand of your preference. To finish, we will also use 2 tablespoons of detergent, being the item that will act directly against grease stains. During the use of this mixture, I will mix until I dilute the detergent, and to yield more product, I will add another 500 milliliters of water, and then mix one last time. And with this, we will have our tip ready for use. To facilitate the application of the product, I will fully put the mixture in a bottle. I am using a bottle with a capacity of 1 and 2 liters. Just this amount of product that we prepare is enough for use for at least a month. And all this, using a small amount of products for mixing to avoid waste. I am also using a funnel for product transfer. You can also drill a hole in the bottle cap for easy application of the product. I am sure you will be impressed by the use of this mixture on the floor of your home, again bringing shine to your floors. For use, we should only apply the product directly to the desired area, and then use a cloth to remove all dirt and stains. I hope it has the same result that I have in my home since I started using this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.